This is the grand living and dining area. Kitchen over here is of 10 by 9 square feet. Around over here. Now here is the master bedroom. Hello and welcome to Housey, India's only online platform जहाँ पे listing करते हैं सीधे developers, thereby giving you the bottom-most price guaranteed. Unlike other real estate portals जहाँ पे आपकी एक enquiry पे आपको आते हैं multiple calls क्योंकि वहाँ पे listing करते हैं brokers, यहाँ पर हम आपको connect करवाते हैं सीधे developers के साथ. और आज at Housey मैं एकता कपूर आपको लेकर आई हूँ for a beautiful sample flat visit, and this is by Metro Realty and it is called The Exclusive. This is the elevation, if you can already see from the main road you would enter, and the amenities are on one side, and here is the elevation. The sample flat is of 1211 square feet, and we're gonna go and take a look at it. Let's go. Here is the Grand Royal sample that I'm going to call it. It comes with a digital door lock so that your security is taken care of. It can be operated with a fingerprint, with a digital key, and also a physical key. Along with that, the doors also come with a rubber strip right over here. Come inside the house so that you can experience real grandeur. This is the grand living and dining area. And here is the balcony. Now the balcony size is of 10.6 by 6 square feet, and it comes covered from 3 sides. It comes with this toughened glass railing and also a stainless steel border to it right over here. Let's take a look now into the dining and the kitchen. So the total area of the living and the dining is of a great 24.9 by 13 square feet. So this whole living area or the hall that you can see over here, including the dining, is of 24.9 by 13 square feet. Now let's take a look into the kitchen. The kitchen over here is of 10 by 9 square feet. Comes with this L-fitted granite slab, a place exclusively for your refrigerators, a vegetable sink, and also a dry balcony right over here. The dry balcony is covered from 2 sides, that's from the top and with 1 wall. Comes with anti-skid tiles, and the size is of approximately 6 by 5 square feet. Now, one thing that I really loved about the living and the dining area is the placement of everything. So if you can notice that the TV is right over there. So if your guests are here or you're sitting either over here, half of the family is having lunch or dinner, both of you all can access the television. So this is one real good part about the living and the dining. Now let's take a look at the bedrooms. The first bedroom right over here is of 14 by 11.6 square feet, which is again pretty big, I must say. And it comes with this attached toilet and bath, which is of 8 by 5 square feet. It comes with granite slabs and CP sanitary fittings as a part of the standard flat furnishings. This sliding window right over here comes with an attached half of the glass fitting and also with a pre-fitted mosquito net, so that there is ample window over here because it gives in a lot of ventilation and also the perfect lighting inside the house. Now, before moving into the rest of the rooms, I'd like to take 1 minute of yours right over here to tell you that Housey Pay you can see sample flat videos, 360-degree tours, pros and cons videos, actual location tours, project overview videos, and everything else that you need to know about each and every property. Now, along with that, if you need to know the price details, EMI details, or absolutely anything else, all you need to do is simply click on the link that's mentioned right over here below in the caption. So you click on that link and you get an e-brochure. Also, you get to register yourself on Housey. Now, isn't that amazing? If it is, then I'm sure that you want to know some more details about this location or anything else about this project. Everything is specified, and for that you need to click on the I button that's mentioned in the video. Once you do that, it has the info and it'll give you everything that you need to know about this project. Let's continue into the rest of the house. Over here we have the common area. And the common area is this wash basin and the common toilet and bath. Let's take a look at that. The toilet and bath is of 6 by 5 square feet. And right next to it is the kids' bedroom. The kids' bedroom is of approximately 10 by 13 square feet. And it also comes with this window over here, which is again a complete glass window, half of it being fixed and half of it being sliding, with a pre-fitted mosquito net as well. Now it's time to take a look at the master bedroom. Now, as I told you earlier that the area of this flat is of approximately 1211 square feet. That makes it really spacious, and I'm sure you can already feel it when I'm walking around over here. Now, here is the master bedroom that also comes with this opposite placed windows. I really like these strategically opposite placed windows when they are diagonal, because they allow in great cross ventilation. Now, this one also is half fixed, half sliding with a pre-fitted mosquito net. Even this one is like that. So the standing balcony, the window, everything comes in together. But wait, if you are already happy and planning to visit it, before you subscribe to our channel and before you book your project site visit, take a look at the walk-in wardrobe. Here is the walk-in wardrobe, which is of approximately 5.6 by 5.3 square feet, and this is the attached toilet and wash that comes with your master bedroom, which also comes with this glass shower partition and also a tile drop to separate wet and dry areas. And before I leave, I also wanted to ask you, have you heard about Maestro Developers? Have you seen any of their projects, or do you or your friends own a property with them already? Do let us know anything that you know about Maestro Realtors, and do let us know in the comment section, because your comments, your views matter, not just to us but also to our viewers. Until then, stay tuned. Thank you very much. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project, The Exclusive, located in NIBM Pune by Unitary Properties and Maestro Realty.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.